Reminders for you before we board for our next adventure. This train can only accommodate 4 riders per row with a 3 adult maximum. So what that means is that you can have 3 adults, 1 kid, 2 adults, 2 kids, 1 adult and 3 kids, but you cannot seat 4 adults to a row. Secondly, there is a height restriction for our ride here. That means if your child is not above 46 inches, they cannot ride by themselves, and then they must ride with a supervising companion that is 14 years or older in the same row as them. Again, the height they need to have in order to be by themselves is 46 inches. Lastly, there's no food or drink aboard our train here, so please store away all food and beverages before we board. We'll begin boarding right now, my friends, so thank you for your patience and enjoy your ride.
Boy, girl, boy, girl.
Everybody take a step back away from the fence, please, just so we can tell.
Huh? What? What do you want? Me to ride with him?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Sitting in one of the covered coaches.
Oh, can I ride in the
You
engine
can ride
now?
in the front, but not. It has to have a roof over it.
Well, the train, the engine has a... No, I'm joking with you. I said to him, can I ride in the engine? That's got it covered.
So you were saying you can't ride. You can't ride in that,
No.
which is a bummer. So I would love to ride in the front there.
Yeah, like Disneyland, you'd be in the coal car.
Exactly.
Look at that, they got a video screen inside the train.
Yeah, they do. Oh, I didn't realize that.
Down so low.
Cameras up there. That's why.
Huh?
I'm
No.
showing the camera. Look. Hey, camera, what's happening? So they can see what's happening, what's going on.
So as you can see out there in Wonderland, there's twinkling Christmas lights everywhere in Camp Snoopy. This is the first time I've ridden this since they tore it apart and rebuilt it.
All aboard for the Beagle Express.
Except this here. I hope it doesn't fall.
Yeah, don't drop it.
He'll be gone. Oh, you better hang on.
The cool thing is we're in the front of the train, right behind the actual engine.
The engineer.
I mean, they still need to. Yeah. They still really still.
So my friend used to work here, Knott's Berry Farm, and he got to be an engineer to the mine train.
Oh, really?
Yes,
That's
and
pretty cool.
he crashed one of the trains.
What?
Yes,
He crashed the train, Mitch?
where it comes out onto the bridge.
Well, I don't know this friend, so I don't know.
Alan Thompson Jr. He used to be Ragtime Alan at Disneyland. They, after being kicked out from Knott's, oh, I'll go work at Disneyland.
That's
No,
crazy.
I don't know. He may have quit. But the reason for the red light on the mine train is because he crashed the train.
Really?
Yes. So now they have a stoplight. Stop before you cross the bridge, or you may hit the train ahead of you, like he did. Didn't derail it or nothing or kill anyone, but could have, I guess. That's back when they had to actually say the spiel.
Oh, wow.
So can you say the spiel from Trader Sam's?
Oh, my goodness. Are you talking about for the junk cruise or for
Just
actual
the,
cruise? No.
just the part with Trader Sam's.
I have to hear it again. It's been so long, just because they don't have them there anymore.
They don't? What?
Took Trader Sam out a long time ago.
I just,
And they said it was culturally insensitive.
everything
I
now.
and tried, so.
No wonder no one watched my video. I did the spiel.
I will tell you though, Trader Sam's is one of my favorite places to go have a drink.
Oh yeah. It's I like
So,
the volcano bowl.
I am curious, how do you sit there? They don't let anyone sit there?
The reason being is that when it's too hot outside, people have gotten burned on the benches because it's just metal.
Gotcha.
So we changed the protocol so that only people can sit in the and then also we used to have the second person that can work here sit in this position, so this was just for our supervision and for our maintenance staff.
Thanks. That's kind of a bummer. They don't
Hello,
let anyone sit
everyone.
anymore.
Welcome aboard. This
Wow,
is
his
Ryan's
voice
family.
changed.
Remember, stay in your seat for the whole trip and keep your arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all
I got my
times.
blanket. And it's green.
Have you heard the news? Camp Snoopy is having its annual Jamboree, a day filled with contests and fun for everyone. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Alrighty, campers, if we're excited for a ride on the Beagle Express, can I get your best choo-choo?
Choo! Question. How does it make the steam if it's electric?
First on the Jamboree roster is Camp Snoopy's fishing derby. Looks like Snoopy has caught his limit.
I think he's got an upside down fire extinguisher.
I got it. Just need to show you all the Charlie Browns in the world.
You're the Charlie Brown.
Vote for Lucy! Vote Lucy! Queen of the Jamboree! There's my sister Lucy, campaigning to be queen of the Jamboree. I think she is very qualified.
I see.
Because she is a royal queen. Hey, look! It's the Beagle Scouts. They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Unfortunately, there's only one contestant.
If you look right here, this is Montezuma's, what's it called?
Jaguar.
Yeah, but you said a different name. You called it something else other than Montezuma's Revenge.
Montezuma's Forbidden
Part of the
Fortress.
Jamboree,
Oh,
there's
the
a
Forbidden
cabin
Fortress then.
contest and an award for the cleanest cabin.
Too many
That's
people
me.
had Montezuma's Revenge?
How
No.
I can't because I can't like tight. Even the Beagle Scouts.
There you have a roller coaster. I should have left it on the gimbal. I didn't know it was going to be a bumpy ride.
Looks like Beagle Scout Master Snoopy and his troop are working to earn the gardening badge. They're growing a crop of boysenberries. Hey, maybe they can make them into jams and jelly.
That one's got a light?
Very own roadside stands. And then they can build their own chicken dinner restaurant. Nah, it would never work.
Well, the bridge is new, I think, isn't it?
So,
Oh. How come I've noticed there's no Vince Guaraldi music like in the ice skating rink?
what's that?
In the Snoopy Ice Show, they didn't play any Vince Guaraldi, Charlie Brown, Peanuts music.
Just
What happened?
before it started, they did.
Oh, okay.
There's no better way to celebrate a Jamboree victory than with some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. The badge for sharing. Oh, campers, we're back at Camp Snoopy
That was quick.
Thanks for riding with us on the Beagle Express. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And now, here's our conductor with some extra information. So long!
Welcome back, campers. Your ride on the Beagle Express Railroad is slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated until you feel that train come to a fully complete stop and you hear that big long whistle coming from the locomotive. Please watch your step and watch your head as you exit, my friends. Thank you for riding. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at the Camp Snoopy.
It's got an air compressor.
Yep.